Well, this is supposed to be the last day we're supposed to be alive. It's the 24th of December. We just got a huge snowstorm in what we call Richmond, Ontario. I don't know about you, but I'm enjoying this last day we're living. That's for sure.
Love you like crazy, girl. Every single day, I'd probably just fade away. Without you, I'd lose my mind.
Kind of quite a day, if you ask me.
Smartest thing I ever did was make you crazy, girl. Know that I love you, and I'm gonna take you for going nowhere.
Kind of like that auto fucking clutch in these things. Woo! John Deere, nothing better. Don't you fucking get a Kubota, don't you get a Massey, don't you get none of them red pieces of shit. Why? Because John Deere is the best way to go. John fucking Deere.